here we go, 100 completely random geography related facts ranging from volcanoes and tsunamis to strange and interesting country demographics. Now before we start, I just want to clarify that not a single fact in this video was created by AI, every fact you're about to hear was researched by me. But anyway, enough yapping, let's just jump straight into fact number 1. So there are 195 countries around the world, which combined cover an area of some 148 million kilometers squared. This means that the average country is roughly 759,000 kilometers squared. That's just a tiny bit larger than Chile. However, if we go by the median, which is the country in the middle, that would be North Korea / Malawi, coming in at around 119,000 kilometers squared. Number 2. The average age of a human on Earth right now is roughly 30 years old. However, this varies significantly across the planet. For example, it's 49 in Japan, but just 15 in Niger. Number 3. Although ranking as the 177th largest country on Earth in terms of land size, Micronesia ranks as having the 22nd most coastline on Earth, with some 6,100 kilometers. That's more than the likes of Croatia, Argentina or France, countries that are significantly larger. Number 4. Roughly a quarter of the world's entire population lives in South Asia. This subregion of Earth also includes the world's largest population of Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs. Number 5. So this is Cape Grim, found in Tasmania, Australia. And although its name suggests otherwise, one thing that isn't grim is its air quality. This region is believed to have some of the cleanest air where people actually live on Earth. This is due to its remoteness and strong westerly winds that carry clean air from the vast ocean. Number 6. Which do you think is bigger, Western Australia or the US's two largest states combined? That's Alaska and Texas. Well, at 2.64 million kilometers squared, Western Australia is 227,000 kilometers squared larger than the two states just mentioned, showing just how ridiculously big this state is. Number 7. The Nile, Amazon, Yangtze and Mississippi river systems are respectively the 4 longest river systems on Earth, and because of this are arguably 4 of the most famous. But what is the 5th longest river on Earth? It's a river system most people probably have never heard of, the Yenisei. It's a river system that runs through Mongolia and Russia and is the largest river to empty into the Arctic Ocean. Number 8. In the 15 most populated islands on Earth, none are found in China or the US, the 2nd and 3rd most populated countries. India, which is now the world's most populated country, has just the one. Number 9. The country with the highest exclusive economic zone to land ratio is Tuvalu. The country has just 26 kilometers squared of land, yet has the exclusive rights to around 750,000 kilometers squared, giving a ratio of nearly 29,000 to 1. This is due to the fact that the country is spread out across many islands and atolls over a vast amount of ocean area. Number 10. Although pretty much impossible to accurately approximate, it's believed that Mount Everest weighs something in the region of 161 trillion kilograms. This estimate comes from its rough 7.5 trillion cubic meters, whilst taking the average density into account. Number 11. At 8.5 million kilometers squared, Brazil is the largest equatorial country on Earth. That's a country that has territory on the equator, meaning it sits in both the northern and southern hemisphere. What's kind of crazy, however, is that only around 5% of its entire land is found in the northern hemisphere, with the other 95% in the southern. Number 12. The shortest international flight on Earth between two countries is a route between Brazzaville and Kinshasa, from the Congo and DR Congo. The flight covers a mere 24 kilometers, and its scheduled duration is 50 minutes, but the actual flight time is actually around 15 minutes. Number 13. So it's pretty well known that Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's tallest mountain. It's probably within the top 5 or 10 most famous mountains on Earth. But what is Africa's second tallest mountain and where is it? So that accolade would go to Mount Kenya, which is of course found in Kenya.